Hi there. So today I want to talk about father figures in animation via two films. First one is The Tale of Princess Kaguya, which is a Studio Ghibli film, and second one is Valinong Sari, which is a Malaysian short animation film. Now both these films have something in common, like they are both based on their local folklores, and both the daughters are extraordinary in their own right, but they are controlled, and even their life decisions are made by the father figures. So, for example, the first film, The Tale of Princess Kaguya, it basically starts with discovering a baby girl in a bamboo stalk and then getting adopted in a very poor family, and their financial situation changing after she gets into their family. So the film has a so the film is basically complex. It has a supernatural theme, but at the end of the day, her life takes a very different route because of all the decisions that her father makes, even if she doesn't approve of them, and even if she expresses that she is not happy with it. The second one, Valinong Sari, although it's a short animation film, is also very similar to the first one because here also, even if she is like brilliant, she can defeat everybody in their respective fields, including the princess from neighboring, kingdoms, whatever. But still, her father forces her to get married, settle down. When she is very vocal that she wants to be the ruler and that she is the one who should be sitting on the throne and taking care of the kingdom. So what I basically want to say is that the father figures that we see in real life are not very different from the father figures that we see in animation films, and I feel is what I feel is that most of the times these image is sort of protected. Like in both the cases, the life output for both these daughters could have been very different if they were allowed, to go their own ways. But one of the girls, like the Princess Kaguya, ends up, basically leaving the planet. I will not give any more information about the film. And the second one, the although she makes her own decision, but she is instead of taking care of her kingdom, she is basically lost in a forest looking for love, whatever. So my point is that father figures are not that holy as they are represented. They make mistakes, but that is not often called out, and that was the whole point of making this reel.